This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Roblox character into Blender. First, launch Roblox Studio and open the place containing your character, or create a new one and insert your avatar. Find your character model within the Explorer panel on the right. Right-click on it, then select Export Selection from the menu. Save the file to an easily accessible location on your computer using a memorable name. This creates the obj file you will use. Now open Blender, starting with a new general scene. You can remove the default cube by selecting it and pressing Delete. Next, go to the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down, choose Import, then select Wavefront, Obj. Browse to the folder where you saved your exported Roblox character file. Select the correct Obj file, then simply click the Import OBJ button in the dialog to load your character into Blender. Once imported, your Roblox character might appear quite large or small relative to the scene. Select the character and press the S key to scale it down or up until it looks appropriate. Take a moment to navigate around using your mouse to see the character from various viewpoints. You can also assign simple materials to different parts, like a basic diffuse shader, to make them visually distinct and prepare them for more detailed texturing later. With your Roblox character successfully in Blender, the creative possibilities are vast. You can now delve into applying more detailed materials and textures to give it a unique look. For dynamic poses or animation, consider adding an armature for rigging, which allows you to move and articulate its limbs. Experiment with Blender's powerful tools to sculpt, add accessories, or even create a custom environment. Remember to save your project often as you progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.